हाय फ्रेंड्स, यूनिट पढ़ुचे क्लास 11th रो दिस एटा जहां भी मु पढ़ुची सीएचएससी बोर्ड, सीबीएसई बोर्ड, आईसीएसई बोर्ड समस्त बिलोंग करची। पार्ट 1 में कोन पढेबी सेटा देखेबा को चाहबी। पार्ट 1 में मु तुम मन को देखेबी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कहा को कहबा। whom do we call physical quantity? What is a physical quantity? What is a unit? Unit kono? What is its speciality? Next, what are coherent system of units? Okay, first of all, let's get started with this physical quantity. Physical quantity kono seta padhebi first. Here you can see that mu Odia re bhi kahuchi because there are some Odia medium students who are facing difficulty. And I was also one of them. मते बहुत difficult होतला जेते मु first पढुतली. That's why मु चाहिली जे सेमान को पई एई येटा करा जो वीडियो गुडी को करा जो हेले सेमाने भी लाभ तांको मिलिबो. So physical quantity कोन? What is a physical quantity? Physical quantity is a quantity or all the quantities through which or by which we can measure laws of physics or we can describe it. माने जो भी क्वांटिटी तमे नियो सेथरे जदी तमे लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स टा एक्सप्रेशन ने मैथमेटिकली लिखि पारुचो देन दैट इज अ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट? बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट कैन बी मेजर्ड. मेजर्ड माने कोन? कोथरे मपा जिवो सेटार गोटे यूनिट करा जायछि. यूनिट माने कोन? मु एठी गोटे छोटो एग्जांपल देबी. जेते बेले तुमे माने घर वाल मापिबा को जाउछो जे केते हाइट, वाल रो हाइट तुमे माने कोन लिखुछो? तो वाल हाइट तुमे जेते मेजर करछो तुमे माने कोथरे मेजर करछो? 10 फीट अछि, रूफ पर्यंत 10 फीट अछि, राइट? एमती लिखुछो. किंतु जेते बेले तुमे माने मेजर करबा को जाउछो बहुत बड़ बिल्डिंग अछि, राइट? बा गोटे बड़ एरोप्लेन अछि, तो एरोप्लेन रो केते लेंथ अछि सेटा तुमे माने केमती मेजर करछो? सेठी एते बड़ हला बेले को मे बी तुमे माने मीटर रे मेजर करछो. सो दीज आर ऑल यूनिट्स व्हिच आर स्पेसिफाइंग समथिंग वी आर मेजरिंग. आमे एठी कोन मेजर करछे? वाल साइड रे भी आमे लेंथ मेजर करछे. एरोप्लेन रो लेंथ रे भी आमे कोन मेजर करछे? लेंथ मेजर करूछे. सिमिलरली केते डेप्थ रे अछि गोटे वाटर लेवल ओशन रो बेड पर्यंत केते डेप्थ अछि तुमे माने कोथरे मेजर करछो? सेठी तुमे माने किलोमीटर यूज करछो बा ताटु भी अधिक यूज करछो. तो सेटा भी डेप्थ टा भी बा गभीरता टा भी गोटे दैट इज आल्सो वन physical quantity and it's need to be measured and it can be measured with a unit which is feet, meter or kilometer. So एते प्रकार यूनिट गोटे जिंस को मापिबा पई अछि. So we need to categorize it. Then comes what is the speciality of the unit. Okay, one unit has got two parts. मु जदी लेखुची भुवनेश्वर to Puri. Okay, कितने किलोमीटर अराउंड? It is around 60 kilometers. Now you can see मु भुवनेश्वर और पुरी रो डिस्टेंस टा लेंथ रे मेजर कली, राइट? एंड गुटे यूनिट बिट लिखची which is kilometer. Now this is the unit part and the other part is the numerical part. So each unit has two parts. One is numerical, another is the unit part. Okay, now any unit, okay, you just remember it, it is important. Any unit remains unchanged due to any external circumstances like temperature change hela, any change, temperature change, pressure change or any atmospherical change, any external changes, सेटारे unit change hobo nahi. Unit remains unchanged, which is very important. That's why we are taking it as a standard measure. एटा कोथरे भी change हो nahi, सेथि पय this is a standard measure for everything. Now it has two parts. One is numerical part, another is the unit part. So या परे आमे coherent of system of unit को जिबा. What is coherent system of units and why it came into picture? Now I want to say कि मु तुमको जेते बेले देखैली आमे एरोप्लेन रे मेजर करला बेले आमे मीटर रे मापुचे जेते बेले आमे भुवनेश्वर पुरी मेजर करछे सेते बेले आमे किलोमीटर रे कहूचे जेते बेले आमे गैलेक्सी आ गोटे को जाउचे सेते बेले लाइट ईयर रे कहूचे सो आमे सेम डिस्टेंस टा मेजर करिया सेम माने मे बी इट इज डिफरेंट इन नंबर बट इट इज अ डिस्टेंस लेंथ रो मेजर सो लेंथ रो मेजर केते बेले आमे फीट रे करूचे केते बेले हमरो इच्छा हला आमे मीटर रे करूचे केते बेले हमरो इच्छा हला आमे किलोमीटर रे करूचे केते बेले इच्छा हला आमे लाइट ईयर्स रे करूचे so why it is necessary and why all are accepted now here comes into play system of units what are they these are system of units system of fundamental units okay coherent system of units are system a set of units of fundamental quantities. I will come into that. What is a fundamental quantity? I will tell you. But before that, we need to understand this. What are system of units? Set of units of fundamental quantities from which we can derive other units. Can be derived. So if we can derive other units from a set of fundamental quantities, those by simple multiplication or division without assigning any numerical value, those units are called coherent system of units. Now there are four system of units. One is FPS, foot, pound for mass, second for time, foot of course for length. Second, FPS कोटी यूज हुए को जगह रे हमर वर्ल्ड सारा रे you can see that in internet. CGS unit समति अछि system CGS system of unit. This is stands for centimeter, gram and second. Okay, this is the smaller version of MKS unit, which stands for meter, kg and second. Now fourth one hoji system international. What is system international? System international represents units which is universal. Universal माने कौन? सब वर्ल्ड रो जोठी की जाओ सेथिरे समस्ते बुझिबे. Okay, this denotes the units which are internationally accepted and acclaimed. Now system internationals रे हमरो की आसीबे. System international is a very important thing. It is a rationalized MK. We can say SI system is actually a rational version of MK system. Okay, then we will go to fundamental quantities. So what are fundamental quantities? These are physical quantities. Those are independent of each other and we can derive any derived unit from this one. Now these remain unchanged in any circumstances, in any situation. This remains unchanged. That means what are they? Naam gudiko likhiba. First one is length. Fundamental quantities, independent of each other and everything. Mass. I think you know the units. Sethipai mu units mention karu nahi. Okay. Next is time. Fourth is temperature. You can also write it down if you want. Fifth one, electric current. This is a fundamental quantity. Luminous intensity. I'll come to the definition part of it, don't worry. Amount of substance. Amount of substance samaste टिके पढ़ी भी 9th और 10th रे, which is called in mole. Amount of substance in a particular element or a compound, it is measured in mole. Right? Luminous intensity is measured in candela. 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 Electric current is measured in ampere. एम्पियर समस्ते कन्वर्सन थिबो तो मु एते बुझौनी. टेम्परेचर रो फंडामेंटल यूनिट आमे नबा केल्विन. सेल्सियस फारेनहाइट इज चेंजिंग बट केल्विन इज कांस्टेंट. सो टेम्परेचर रो फंडामेंटल यूनिट पचारिबो जदी तुमे केल्विन ही लिखिबो. राइट. टाइम रो सेम सेकंड. मास रो केजी रहिबो एज पर एसआई सिस्टम. लेंथ रो रहिबो मीटर. So these are system international रे जो मन को निया जाई छी important करके. लेंथ रहउची मीटर. लेंथ रहउची मीटर. मास रहउची केजी. टाइम रहउची सेकंड. टेम्परेचर रो केल्विन. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट रहउची एम्पियर. लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी रहउची कैंडेला. amount of substance होची मोल. these are important things to remember. केतेटा लिखिली मु 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7टा लिखिली. there are 7 fundamental quantities. now there are 2 supplementary fundamental units which we need to understand. so let's go there. what are the supplementary fundamental units? Supplementary fundamental units are two. There are 2 in number. one is प्लेन एंगल. कोथरे मेजर करछे हमें रेडियन में मेजर करछे व्हिच यू नो ऑलरेडी. तुमे माने कैलकुलेशन में भी यूज करथिबो 10th रे. सो इट इज इन रेडियन. शॉर्टली RAD. सेकंड इज सॉलिड एंगल. सॉलिड एंगल इज मेजर्ड इन स्टेरेडियन. shortly you can write it as SR. okay. now these are supplementary fundamental units: plane angle and solid angle. okay. मु सब रो definition लिखि देछि. 1 meter कोन 1 meter होछि around. it is around. okay. so it is about, not exact. so it can be written as 16,50,763.73 or around 10 to the power 6 times the wavelength of the orange color light emitted from krypton 86 atom. Krypton has many isotopes. one is having mass 86. so in vacuum 10 to the power 6 times the wavelength of orange color light emitted from krypton 86 in vacuum. okay. so you need to remember that krypton 86 रो vacuum रे जो orange color light टा बाहरबो तार wavelength रो 10 to the power 6 times होची 1 meter. now 1 kg को जिबा तार डेफिनेशन कोन हबो. फर्स्ट तो गोटे से माने रखी चंती जोटा फ्रांस रे रखा हैची which is preserved in International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris, France. it is a platinum iridium alloy. okay. 1 kg रो जो करा हैची जोटा यूनिट स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट भाबर निया जायछि सेटा होची गोटे प्लैटिनम एंड इरिडियम रो गोटे alloy. तार block टा जो रखा जायछि that is 1 kilogram which is the prototype of system international for 1 kg. it can be also measured as mass of 5 into 10 to the power 25 atoms of carbon 12, carbon C612. okay. C612 रो एतिकी mass जोटा हबो सेटा होची 1 kg. now you can write either of the two. 1 second जदि पचरा गला you can write either of the two. 1 second is cesium गोटे अछि. cesium is an element. now if cesium रो 133 जार mass अछि CS133 atoms when complete around 10 to the power 10 vibrations. 10 to the power 10 is also around, it is not exact. so when they complete 10 to the power 10 vibrations, or exactly saying it will be 9192631770, which is around 10 to the power 10 vibration, it is called 1 second. okay. in that time period cesium 133 atom will complete 10 to the power 10 vibration. that would be defined as 1 second. or we can say that 1 divided by 24 into 60 into 60, which is a solar day. so one part of one solar day is called 1 second. Now we will move on to degree Kelvin, ampere and candela. Okay, what is degree Kelvin now? Degree Kelvin will be 1 by 273. Means 273 parts ru hame 1 part number of thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. This is important to know. This is the triple point of water hame jota nouche. तार 1 by 273 पार्ट जदि नबा ताले सेटा को डिग्री केल्विन कह जो केमति लेखो हम डिग्री केल्विन राइट हम एमति लेखो तापर एम्पियर को जिबा एम्पियर रा हम कोन साइन दो ए खाली लिखा जाए तो व्हाट इज एम्पियर 1 एम्पियर will be flowing through two straight parallel wires flowing through two straight parallel wires. This is parallel, two straight parallel wires of infinite length, important, negligible area, important, held 1 meter apart in vacuum, not in air, in vacuum only. Then they will produce a force between them which is around of measurement of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. That would be 1 ampere. 1 ampere is the current that will flow through two straight parallel wires. You can write it down if you want. These are also meant for when I am talking. मुझे तो कहूची सेते बेले वीडियो गुडी को तुम सुनला बेले लेखले notes कले. If you write them, then it will be helpful for you afterwards when you stop the video. So, and also I request you not to forward the videos. Please watch them till the end so that it will be much more helpful for you. 1 ampere is the current flowing through two straight parallel wires of infinite length and negligible area held 1 meter apart in vacuum, produces a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. What is candela? Candela is the luminous intensity of 1 by 60,000 square meter area of a black body which is kept at freezing point of platinum. Okay, this is the definition. You need to remember it just for once. What is candela? Candela is the unit of luminous intensity, and it is the luminous. It is different. One candela will be defined as luminous intensity of 1 by 60,000 square meter area of a black body kept at a freezing point of platinum. So these are fundamental units and their definitions. So what are the fundamental units we studied till now? Another is left, mole. Okay. What is a mole? Mole are elements. Okay. Now mole we have taken as the unit of quantity of matter. Matter means it can be an element, can be a compound, whatever we are taking. So 1 mole is the amount of substance which contain as many elementary entities as there are atoms. As there are atoms, here I have written elements. You can I can write it atoms only. Okay. So these are atoms in 0.012 kg. Kg, remember it is kg, not gram. 0.012 kg of pure carbon C612. So a atom 0.012 kg re jetik atoms rahibe, that would be 1 mole. Then we will go to supplementary units. One is radian. What is radian? Radian is the unit of angle in a plane area, and it defined as the angle subtended at the center of the circle. If we take the center of the circle as O, then the angle subtended at the center of the circle by the arc is equal to the radius of the circle. What does that mean? If we take arc of the ds as arc of the circle, which measures as ds, this is the length we are specifying here. This is the length we are specifying. Okay, ds is the length and d theta is the angle, which is a very small angle. R is the radius of that particular circle. Then d theta would be ds by r in radian. Radian definition is 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle. That's why d theta equals to ds by r. Why we are telling that 1 radian angle subtended is so small? Because we are just when I'm showing it to you, it is simply because I want to highlight this point. The angle is so small that we are writing it in d theta. It is very small, and ds is also very small. It's not an arc. We are just taking for the angle it is making at the center of the circle. We are imagining it. That's why radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc. It will always be equal to, around, numerically equal to the radius of the particular circle. That's why d theta will be ds by r, and it will be described in radian only. Then we will go to steradian. What is steradian? Steradian is the angle in space. What do you mean by that? Space? No. It means it is in 3D. If we are measuring in 3D, then it is steradian. How to measure it? It is a solid angle. Solid angle means 3D. As I have shown here, it is just a different version of 2D diagram, right? In 2D, for angle radian, I have made this one. Now here, I have taken an area which is measured in terms of dA, and here what we are getting another angle which is supposed to bound 4 sides of that particular part of the sphere. So how we will define steradian? Now steradian d mu will be calculated as dA by r square, okay, and it will be written as steradian. Then how we will define it? We will define it as, it is the solid angle subtended at the center of the sphere. It is not, here it was a circle in radian, here it would be a sphere. Okay, in a sphere, the angle subtended at the center of the sphere, which is a solid angle, of course. That's why I am like shading it so that it will remain as a solid angle, by the surface of the sphere. I shaded it out for you, which is equal in area to the square of radius of the sphere. So if we take r as the radius of the sphere, and of course we know that pi r square is standard for area of a circle. But here, as we are taking a part of the sphere, so this dA, which denotes the area of the sphere, we are taking. And as we know, area means meter square or centimeter square will be the unit. That's why the little solid angle that would be subtended by this little area shaded, I am also making it different color so that you got to know which area is this one. Okay, think that we are taking a cube of watermelon. How you cut it? You cut it in square, right? But how it gets to the center? Just like that, just like a prism only. Just like a prism which has a base of 4, like this. Okay. Now, if you make out of, you join every part to their vertices, you will get a prism. Here same thing, only the difference is we are taking a part of a sphere, so that will act as a arc, like, okay. So in this arc, dA is the area subtended dA divided by r square, which is the radius of the sphere, will give you the steradian d mu. So here I complete your fundamental units and supplementary units, and in next part we will discuss even more interesting things which are derived units. Also we will go to some practical units measured. So please stay tuned to my channel and try to subscribe it. If you like my video, please like and share it with your friends. Take care. Have a good day.